Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang KDLX TikTok compilation. Pisensya, maraming salamat for sending this. So without further ado, let's start this video. Anong meron sa KDLX? Ay, si Sir Jayco ata nag-interview dito, di ba? Jayco Manangan.
Bago ako sumalang, nakita ko si KD na kinis niya sa noo si Alexa.
Ay! Chismis! Kamusta yung reaction? Kamusta yung reaction, Yeng? Huwag ka mag-alala.
Parang nandun na pala tayo.
Nandun na talaga.
Sabi niya kay KD sa akin, ate, sorry. Tapos nagbulol-bulol na siya. So, balik na siya.
Nahiya siya. Remember when Mr. Ogie Alcacid caught on cam? Oh, ay! Ang gupo ni KD doon. Palagi silang nakuhuli.
Yung batang yan, laging nakabati. Sabi nga ni Snowy, lagi yan nagtatanong, tita, okay ka ba? Ganon-ganon.
Si KD?
Sa parati.
Si KD.
Hindi yan nawawalan ng bati.
Mabait naman kasi talaga si KD.
Oo, matutuwa ka talaga
Innate sa kanya ang pagiging gentleman at respectful.
Pag umiihi nga si Alexa, nakabantayan sa pintuan. Parang tanga.
Linawin natin.
Minsan, pero totoo yun.
Okay.
Nakabantay sa labas ng pintuan.
Oo, kasi sira yung lock. So, try na
say something about my observation during the prom, during the Star Magic.
Okay.
Anong observation?
Alexa had a
Ganda?
some long train or something.
Yeah, it was very long. It was a very long time.
But I noticed how every time she moved, you would very, very quietly go there, you know, almost like bend on your knees to fix her gown to make sure it's easy for her to walk. You know, when I was watching that, kasi di ba, every time you needed to go up the stage, di ba?
Yes.
I was watching that and I saw you, and alam mo na hindi ito nagpapalabas to si KD. Kasi it was almost like instantaneous na, okay, I'm gonna do this. I have to do this. No? So that's what I wanted to mention. No? The very simple acts of concern and care that you showed was, for me, that's a journey of love. No?
Okay. Grabe si KD, no? Gentleman talaga siya, as in. Oy! Andito din yung Francet, ang pagkakaalam ko. Grabe ni KD! Uy, puro KD yung compilation na. Crescencia, ah. Crescencia, puro KD, ah. Okay, what's next? Ay, saan to? Suot ni Alexa yung suot. Si Darren yun, ah. O, si Francine to, ah. Ah, nakasal pa din ba to? Ay, oo, nakasal nga. Ay, I love this. Uy, ang ganda ng compilation. Si Joao ba yun? My God, parang bagong kasal. Ba't parang bagong kasal? Ay, Hoy! Bakit naman ganyan? Sana nag-i? Oy! Alam mo, sana mag-propose na si KD. Wow! I know it's too early, pero kaya talaga i-secure dyan na to. Negosyante siya, may pera naman sila. Ay, bubugawin. Pansit Canton! Proud na proud. Kakain ako ngayon ng Pansit Canton. Humanda kayo. May Pansit Canton ako dyan sa labas. Kakain ako for today's video. Very authentic si KD. Ang tagal ko na to. Ang tagal ko din ko kasi nawala sa reaction ng KD Lex actually. Kaya hindi ko na to napanood. Ay, what's your favorite song right now? Ay, talaga? Eh. Sino kumanta nito? Si Max? Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. Ay, ito yung nire-request nyo sa akin. Nagawa ko ng reaction video. Ang hirap kasi pag sa ASAP, guys, gumawa ng reaction video. Ano? Ay. Hinatid niya. Ay. What is Hatid Sundo for today's video? Go! Kung gusto mo yan, go! Oh, si Alexa. Ay, ano to?
A great journey, and because it's our first, it's a journey I'll always remember.
Sana all my KD.
For me, sana all na may Alexa. Because I'm really lucky to have a partner as a partner like Alexa. She's very supportive.
Ay, kay JL to na kanta. BGYOJ. Laka. Ay, bulala po. BGYO yan, no? BGYO ba yung pa-KD? G, what KD Let's Marry?
No, I'm just thinking talaga.
I'm just... Ano ba sa sagot niya?
29 to 32? Or when rich?
Or never rich?
When rich.
Ah, when stable na din naman kayo eh.
Generally, pero ito...
Go na kasi! Pilit ang KD Lex magpakasal. Hindi siguro.
Parang di ba kayo? Okay lang.
Sabi ko sa kanya,
Okay.
siyang magsalita or ma-stress. Pero kilala ko to eh, kapag may gusto siyang gawin, especially if it involves me, hindi mo siya mapipigilan. So sabi ko, I'm scared that you might face backlash if you speak up.
Para sa akin naman yung backlash against me, it's fine.
Gwapo ni KD, my God.
If it's towards you, I can't let that.
Ay, naku.
I love that.
Sa akin, when you step over a boundary, that means you're either attacking someone who's very close to you personally. Kasi si Alexa for me is not, hindi na siya work. I don't consider being with Alexa as work. I consider her as a
Partner.
someone
I treasured.
I have a close connection to. And,
Yes.
parang family. She feels.
Ang gwapo ni KD, shoot ah!
And when you heard
Grabe, silang dalawa pag magsalita, may substance talaga. May laman. Alam mo yung hindi lang loko-loko, may laman, tapos na. Crescencia, maraming salamat. There go guys, it is our for today's video, the KD Lex compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and 7 Next Vlog. Bye!